Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you how to play chess. As we all know, chess is a very famous game. It helps in developing brain efficiency and decision power. First, we will talk about the formation of the chess. Basically, chess is formed with 64 boxes, white and black. 32 are black and 32 are white. As you are seeing on the screen, vertical lines are called files and the horizontal lines are called ranks. Movement on the lateral sides are called diagonal movement or diagonals. Now we will discuss the position of the pieces, which piece will come at which place and what are its powers and how we have to place them on the board. And we also discuss about their movements, how they will move on the board. First, we will talk about the first piece. You can see on the screen, it is called king. Its position will be depend upon its color. If it is a black color, then it is always kept on the white box, or if it is white color, then it will be kept on the black box. Now we have black color, so we will kept it on the white box. It is also called Raja in Hindi. Next we have Queen, or it called Wazir in Hindi. It is the strongest piece in the chessboard. It can move in any direction. It is kept adjacent to king. Next we have the piece is called bishop. In Hindi it called oot. In chessboard there are two bishops. One will kept left side of the king and other will kept right side of the queen. Next piece we have knight, or in Hindi it called ghoda. It is kept after bishop. In chess there are two knights. Both are kept adjacent to bishop. Now you can see two boxes are left in the row in which rook will come, or it called in Hindi hathi. It will come in the boxes which are left in the row, as you can see in the screen. Now we will summarize once. First, the location is of king. The second one is queen. At third place, the bishops. There are two bishops, two knights, and two rook. You can see in the screen. Now in the front line, there are pawns, or which is called in Hindi pyade. They all come in the second row in front of the pieces. Now we will arrange the pieces for both the players on the board. Now you can see the pieces for both the players are ready. Now we can start the game. Before it, I will tell you the movement of the pieces. First we will talk about the pawn. A pawn have a privilege that it can move one step or two step in starting. A player can move as per its convenience or by choice his pawn either one step or two step. But if the opponent's pawn or pyada will facing from front, then it cannot capture that position. A pawn can take that position diagonally only. It cannot hit straight, as you can see in the screen. A pawn can hit any big piece, but the condition is it should be in the diagonal movement only. If the pawn will move in its line till the end line, then it can convert in any piece, uh, like queen, rook, knight, or bishop. Next piece in the board is rook. It has a specialty, it can move in a plus direction, either horizontally or vertically. There is no boundation of the steps. It can take 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, as much as the player wants. It can hit the piece in horizontally or vertical direction. Now the next piece on from the board is knight. It is the only piece who can bypass any piece which will be in front of it. It will form an L shape or a 7 shape. In Hindi, we call dhai step movement. 2 step in any direction and 1 step right or left. You can see on the screen. Next piece is bishop. Bishop can move in diagonal direction. There are two bishops, one on white box and other one in on black box. They can move in diagonal direction only in white one will on white boxes and black will on black boxes. It can hit on the same line. You can see it on the screen. Next piece is queen. It is the strongest piece in the board. It has the specialty that it can move in any direction, horizontally, vertically, diagonally, forward, backward. It can hit in any direction the piece. You can see it on the screen. The last piece on the board is king. It has a limitation. It can move only 1 step, either right, left, diagonally. You can see it on the screen. One more thing, a pawn can move in only forward direction. It can't move in backward direction. Except pawn, rest all the pieces can move in forward or backward direction. I hope you learned the basic things of the chess. Now you are able to play. In the next video, I will teach you the techniques of opening of the game so that the possibility of the winning will be maximum. Thank you.